How to make keto cheesy cabbage pesto hash. The ingredients: 2 tablespoon avocado oil, divided, 200 gram green cabbage, 100 gram halloumi cheese, 4 large eggs, 2 tablespoon pesto, salt and pepper to taste. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. Chop the green cabbage into small pieces/slices. 2. In a frying pan over low to medium heat, add half of the avocado oil and cabbage. Cook for about 5 minutes or until the cabbage turns tender. Remove from pan and set aside. 3. In a bowl, dice the halloumi. 4. In the same frying pan, add the other half of the avocado oil and the diced halloumi. Fry the halloumi over low to medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it starts to get golden brown in color. Remove from pan and keep warm. 5. Crack the eggs into the pan and cook them sunny side up. Remove from pan and keep warm. 6. Add the cabbage, halloumi, and pesto back into the frying pan. Stir all together to get warm. 7. Place the cabbage and halloumi with a sunny side up egg on top. Season with salt and pepper. Enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 2 servings of keto cheesy cabbage pesto hash. Each serving comes out to be 507 calories, 40.6 grams fat, 5.9 grams net carbs, and 26.8 grams protein.